So hi guys, I just got the premium sounds and I'm going to test them out so you don't have to buy them. Okay, first, premium. I rate this like a 6.5 out of 10. Water. Like, yeah, it's better. 7 out of 10. Bubble. I really like that. That is like a 9.5 out of 10. Christmas. It actually sounds like snow, so it's good. Like, yeah. Like, that is actually a 7 out of 10. Okay, love. I really love this one. This one's a straight 10 out of 10. I love it. Then honey. I'm gonna have to give this one a 10. 10, yeah. Slime. I don't get how this sounds like slime, but it's like good. It's like a 9.5, yeah. Snow. It sounds like dusty, like, you know? That is gonna get like it 6. Yeah. So, bye.